Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You already have Chrome. Now start by creating a project folder and manifest. JSON. Explain why. Manifest tells Chrome what your extension is and what it can access. Once done, add a minimal pop-up. HTML and an icon so Chrome recognizes the package. Make sure to include manifest version. 3. A short name and version. You'll need permissions only for APIs you use. Being minimal reduces prompts and simplifies debugging. Next, load the unpacked extension to iterate quickly. You now implement the extension's behavior. Write a background service worker for event handling and use content scripts to interact with web pages. Explain why. Background handles lifecycle and messaging. Content scripts access page DOM safely. Once done, wire messaging between content and background using Chrome. Runtime. Send message and on message listeners. Make sure to request only needed permissions and use Chrome. Storage for state. This prevents user warnings. Test edge cases and handle async callbacks or promise rejections to avoid silent failures. You're finishing. Test every feature, load the unpacked extension, and use the extension inspector to view background/service worker logs and content script consoles. Explain why. Differences in context explain most bugs. Once done, pack the extension into A. CRX or follow store publishing steps including metadata and screenshots. Make sure to bump the version in manifest. If something breaks, check manifest syntax, permission scopes, content security policy, and service worker startup timing. Restarting the worker often reveals initial errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.